Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you about how to redeploy VM in Azure. So you may have some issues that you cannot connect to your virtual machine. So you checked your network security groups and you can see that your inbound ports are all enabled for 3389. But you are facing some issues. Maybe your virtual machine is crashed, or you may have some errors on the virtual machine. So in that scenario, to the extent if you're not able to figure out what is the problem, okay, so unless or until you are not keeping your machine and availability set, then Microsoft Azure will not do vMotion for you. Okay, so let's take an example. This mission is a VM01 is the mission which we deployed in the last session. So here this mission is a standalone mission wherein this is not kept in any availability set. Okay, so if you keep your missions in availability set, then you can presume that you may have availability to your VMs. So if you keep it in availability set, like let's say that you have some hardware issues on the host, or there is any planned maintenance going on the Azure host, or anywhere. Okay, so that time what will happen is if anything is unplanned, then the VM is automatically vMotion to the another host. But for the standalone mission, you cannot do the vMotion, right? So in this case, you have troubleshooted everything and you do not have any option what to do now. So at the last, what you can do is you can use the redeploy option, which is inbuilt in your VM blade. Okay, so let me show you that how to do it. So when you go to your VM in the left pane, you would see at the last where you will have a option redeploy and reapply. Okay, you select this button and you could see two options, redeploy and reapply. Okay, so if you have any data on your machine, it will be lost when you redeploy it. And reapply means in the overview, when you deploy a VM or when you stop a VM, sometime what will happen is it will not happen actually. So in the status you would see like stopping, or it's stuck in stopping, or it's stuck in running, or it may tell you that virtual machine failed, or running failed, or failed something. Okay, so if in case you get such errors, then you can do with the you can play with the reapply button. Okay, so I will show you a demo how to redeploy the VM. Okay, let me show you an example. I have installed Opera browser in my VM. So after redeploy, I will show you what is really happening to the VM. Okay, right now I have a VM wherein it is in a running state. So I have already took the RDP. So this is a VM. So I will go to the programs and features and show you what I have installed in this machine. So you could see I have Opera application on this system. So now let's take an example. For some reason this machine is crashed. This current machine is crashed, okay, and you cannot connect to the RDP. So in this time, what you can do is you can go to the option redeploy, and here you select redeploy now, and this would take at least 5 or 10 minutes to redeploy your machine. So we can wait and watch it. So when you run this option, your virtual machine will be unavailable. Okay. Okay, all right. The redeployment has been done. So you could get the notification here. And now if you see it, there is a change which I forgot to say you. Earlier the IP public IP address was different, okay? After the redeployment, the IP address has been dynamically changed. Okay, so now I copy this IP address and I take the RDP again to the machine. I will enter my username and password. If you see it now, I still have the Opera browser here. So after the redeployment, it is not removed or deleted from the virtual machine. But if you keep any data disk, additional data disk on this VM, it will still exist. Okay. So as for this mission, we do not have any additional data disk. So I cannot show you that demo now. But if you see it, we still have the Opera application. So what is really happening behind the redeployment? Okay, so the thing is, this mission will be running in one host, right? So maybe for some case that host has some issues. So when you run the redeployment, this mission is removed from the host and then it is redeployed on the next host on the Azure data center. So it is completely isolated now. So which is like this mission is removed from the host which is having the problem and it is redeployed in the another host. And that's where we get the RDP access to the VM again. Okay, so hope you understand it. So if you like the video, please click subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.